everyone, and welcome to another episode of Obsessed Designs. Today's episode, we are here at AVIDA RIALA Tower 4, and for this design and renovation project, our scope of works is from the millworks, the electricals, the painting works, and down to the appliances, the furnitures, and the decorations. So this unit is a one-bedroom condominium unit, which is a 40.69 square meter unit, and this is intended to be rented out for Airbnb. Let's start with the kitchen. So for this kitchen, we extended the cabinetry. So this is the existing cabinets. We added the overhead cabinets and extended it here to the millworks over here. So we also added this range hood. And there will be an electrical stove here, which I will just be inserting in the video since it did not arrive in time for this video shoot. But these are shelves we also added as an added storage, and then this breakfast nook. So we also added these track lighting and bar stools. Over to the dining area, we added this drop lightings, which are industrial and black. And then we also added this full-length mirror and this dining set. Over to the opposite side of the dining area, we added this bench to serve as a storage for their shoes under, like that. And then we also added this brick wall, which is requested by the client. So in the living area, what we added here are the storage cabinets, which are wall mounted. So these are all storages. We also have these shelves, and we also added this WPC wall cladding. We also installed the television and the air conditioning unit and these lines for the windows. So in the opposite side of the TV wall is the living area or the sofa bed. So this is a sofa bed which can turn into a bed at night for more accommodation. And this industrial coffee table, and also this photo or canvas of Sydney Opera House, which was specifically requested by the client because the client is an OFW who works in Sydney, Australia. So we also added these cove lighting and also these huge modern chandelier to fill out the space in the ceiling. So moving over to the bedroom. So we custom built this closet space. This is a sliding closet. So we have a sliding closet and also a drawer under. And then we also added this headboard for the bed, which has a side table with drawer and also some outlets and switches for these wall lamps that are also industrial. We also added storages under the bed so that we can maximize the space by adding storage. And then, like most Airbnbs or rental spaces, it is very important to have a desk space because most people nowadays are working remotely. So, this is the office space that we added, which has drawers as well. We also added these blinds in the window and also the air conditioning unit or the bedroom. By the way, that is 1 horsepower in the bedroom and 1.5 horsepower in the living area, since the living area is much larger. Then we added this gallery wall and some decors. So there you have it. I hope you like this transformation. If you did, please do subscribe to the channel. Comment down which part of the transformation is your favorite. And if you're interested to rent out this unit, you may email us in this email address. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!